pyramid is also the solution of the squaring of the circle.
The moon and Earth actually fit this diagram. The pyramid therefore encodes the relative sizes of moon and Earth. When you scale the original diagram by 720, here's what you get: the actual dimensions of the moon and Earth in miles. When we lay this diagram over Stonehenge, we see that it fits. The dimensions of Stonehenge match the canonical numbers, but with a shifted decimal place and in English feet rather than in miles.
The 5 and the 6 and the integration of the 5 and 6.
6 divided by 5 times pi squared equals pi. Everything emerges from the Vesica Pisces. It's the alchemical wedding of pentagon and hexagon, macrocosm and microcosm.
The rose and the lily, igni, natura, renovata, integra. Through fire, nature is wholly renewed. There are deep mysteries here, very deep mysteries. The crucifixion is an alchemical allegory. Through fire, nature is wholly renewed.